this video, I'm going to show you how to set up estimate templates for a good, better, best option for a water heater replacement, and then I'm going to show you how you can put those together into a proposal template so that your customer at the end can see it. So how do we basically do this? So the first thing that you're going to do is navigate to Pricebook Templates, and we're going to build our estimate templates. So you're going to go to Create Estimate Template. You're going to have an internal name and an external name. So basically what we're going to do here is we're just going to call it 40-gallon water heater good. And we're going to call it the same thing, external. And we're going to call replacing a 40-gallon water heater. You have two options here. You have a dynamic and static. So basically, the static one, what it's really good for is that if you want to have an estimate template that never changes its pricing, you would do static. But what you would do, and the thing that you can do with it, is all the fields in it can be edited. So it's very unique to that estimate template. The dynamic template is, there's less that you can edit, but basically it gets live updates from your price book. So we're going to go with dynamic. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a service. So we're going to go 40-gallon water heater. And we're going to have in here, I have this standard, this regular water heater one here. I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to create template. And you're going to see that that's there. So one thing that you can do is actually you can duplicate these. So I'm going to actually duplicate that to make the better one. So I'm going to do better. Then I'm going to change that to better. Click continue. And then instead of this 40-gallon water heater, I'm actually going to add the other 40-gallon water heater. So I'm going to do this one, this ... one I have saved as the better option inside of our price book. So I'm going to click create. And then lastly, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make a best version of this. So we're going to come in here and go best, continue. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to add the other 40-gallon. And then also what we're going to do on this one is per your request, we're going to go in here, we're going to add a membership to this, just as like part of what's best. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the gold membership. I'm going to click create template. So now I've got my 3 templates here, and now I need to put them together into a proposal template. So what I'm going to do is create proposal template, and I'm going to do 40-gallon water heater replacement. I can set business units. Let's say I only want to do plumbing service, maintenance, and sales. And then proposal template summary. This is just kind of a summary of what it is. Set of install options for 40-gallon water heaters. Continue. And then it is going to give me these options here. So what I can basically do is grab my estimates into this template. But what I want to do is I actually want to select a type. So obviously there's a lot of different types you can have here. What these types do is it basically organizes the template. So we can have like a basic, premium, premium plus. We can have a basic, better, best. So we can have like a variety. Good, better, best is another option. So like this basically gives you the ability to kind of put your own verbiage here. And then all you got to do is grab the estimates you want to be in each of the different proposal sections and click save and publish. And it's as easy as that. So now you've got that proposal template saved and we're all good to go.